Well, he bataka me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I'm remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, we have some amazing news. Not only has Vybz Kartel had 4 tracks on the top 10 charts for the month of October. Tracks like Skate, Yami Bolo, Loyal featured Chanel Muir, Try That. But Vybz Kartel has also had 2 albums and a physical calendar year. Billboard accredited albums, making him one of Jamaican music's top digital earners alongside the Marleys. Because for those who don't know, the Marleys track stream continuously. Now, viewers and subscribers, just to put this into perspective, Vybz Kartel has had over 80 plus song releases for this year, 2 studio albums, Billboard accredited in 1 year. In 1 year. Now, Vybz Kartel has dancehall anticipating the new juggling rhythm, A Vengeance. And this particular juggling rhythm will feature songs from the king himself, Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. Loyalty in person. Sean Storm will also be on the juggling rhythm, viewers and subscribers. Little Addy, Little Vybz, definitely showcasing that dancehall has a bright future. Yeah, Little Vybz and Little Addy have put out music that we can say is on par with all of the other big names currently in dancehall music. Also on the juggling rhythm, viewers and subscribers, Savage. Yes, Savage will get that official Gaza certification. Yes, he is now featured on the juggling rhythm. Sicka Rhymes, of course, the VP got the point. What I do? The VP will be featured on the juggling rhythm. Lisa Hyper, yes, Lisa Hyper will be on the rhythm as well. Some people say Skilly Bang should be added to the juggling. Yes, but definitely agree with that. You know what I mean? That'd be a good look for say Skilly Bang, another feature on the juggling feature. This feature too will be released on the Short Boss music label. Big up Shorty, you know the something go. Gaza Nation is definitely a good look. I mean, I know I'm not going to go into the figures when I watch the art. Some people, Gaza Nation, some people I watch the artist pocket too much. We're not going to go into the earnings. But I can definitely say this, having 80 plus song releases, 433 million YouTube views. Spotify views, we now have the exact figures, so we're not going to say nothing. But Spotify doing extremely well as well. As a matter of fact, all digital platforms that dancehall music is featured on, Vybz Kartel is definitely dominating. So put that into perspective. Yes, one of dancehall music's biggest digital earners. There's no doubt about that. Definitely no doubt about that. Without even giving you specific figures. Now, Vybz Kartel continues not only to show dominance, but to push the dancehall genre forward. Tracks like Try That, Moonwalk with Squash, Skate, Yami Bolo, definitely showing a dancehall diversity while keeping it authentically dancehall. Very few artists can say they might do that in this day and age. Think about it. If an artist even not try to say he might make a song where him feel like the aim is to have it crossover, it's almost like them doing too much. The flow, the cadence, the song itself, not necessarily sound dancehall. Vybz Kartel has managed to continue to give us authentic dancehall music with that crossover vibe. If you Google Vybz Kartel name, yes, the king will come up and it will say he's undisputed king of dancehall currently. But it will also say dancehall reggae fusion artist. And if you listen to the music, the fusion element is definitely there, but also the reggae and dancehall element. It's plain to see, plain to hear, plain to notice. I will not just talk about tracks with patois, because even rappers rap in patois sometimes. But Vybz Kartel has found a way to even give us songs in standard English like Bob. Bob have some songs in standard English. I always point it out. One Love is in, majority of it is in standard English. Is that not reggae? Of course, authentically reggae. At the same time, Vybz Kartel has given us songs that are, I can say, standard English, but still retain that dancehall vibes. I never thought about it, but they never thought about it, and that is the reason why we can't say this. We need the nomination. We need the category of dancehall to be added at the Grammy Awards. And we also need that nomination for dancehall music. One of the only dancehall artists, so we can say, I do it for dancehall fans worldwide. And if I'm not correct, talk to me in the comment section. But truth be told, I want to talk about dancehall music and the evolution of the dancehall sound and where dancehall should be 10 years from this. That Vybz Kartel element is definitely what is needed to keep the genre afloat. And if you notice, all artists currently, I want to talk about the artists, they will use the teacher style and I want to pay homage. We are talking about right across the board. There is, and you can see from majority of the artists who have followed in the game, and even artists who have been doing it from when the teacher they are road. Freedom is a must too. Freedom is a must. Free the teacher and all co-accused. But if you see or notice, or if you are paying attention to dancehall music, every artist has used something that Vybz Kartel has pioneered in the game, brought into dancehall music. One of the artists who pushed that fusion sound while keeping it dancehall. I remember when them I say Vybz Kartel tried to change dancehall and hip hop. It wasn't changing dancehall and hip hop. It was giving dancehall that fresh sound. You may already tell we say this is the new millennium, a different thing are going on. And it is true. Nowadays fans of dancehall music listen to a wide variety of music. So it is only fair and fitting that the teacher would add elements of other genres of music to dancehall. Why you think hip hop, R&B and even Afrobeat is so popular worldwide? They have added elements of other genres of music so that we here on the island can relate. People overseas can relate. Even ones who have never been to Africa. But them like the sound, them like the vibe. It gives them that dancing energy. And it also still authentically African. Same thing with hip hop. These are authentically American, but them still have elements from all over the world incorporated in that sound. Think about it. Take a second and think about it. Then I ram for the feature with dancehall artists. I want to know how dancehall start hip hop. We not talk about it from that point of view. We just talk about currently. Them add dancehall elements, reggae elements, soca elements. Them add elements from all other genres of music right across the world. Whether in the beat, the melody, or even the lyrical content. And that makes other people who are fans of other music. Remember, say in every country have a certain song that dominates here. You know what I mean? And if you're going to say you want to perform or have big songs in a different parts of the world, will you not need to add elements or say things or even add? Say with the country not speak the English then, so the lyrical content not gonna really do it. The cadence and the flow and the beat have to speak to fans residing in that side of the world. Otherwise, it's hard to relate. It's hard for people to catch them ears so people like it. The teacher has done it again, viewers and subscribers. Dancers. Yo, I can't say this. Now music right now, without the teacher, We don't know what dance all with it. And with that being said, if you like the reasoning, you know what I mean, and you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded. And the like icon is in close proximity to the share icon. So like, share, and drop your comments. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. You know the settings, and for those who don't, the move settings from a winner need a ladder. And my sentiments to you and yours is for to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.